Hey everyone, I'm just going to do a quick unboxing of a few items that I got from PR, and I'm so excited and thankful to all of the companies for sending me this. And the first one is from Pixi. I love Pixi with my whole heart so much, and they have the sweetest people working there, and they're so thoughtful when it comes to any of their packages. In fact, the little travel away makeup bag, I've been using that for my go-to travel bag because it's so practical for all of my last trips. So whoever is working at Pixi, thank you so much. But this one is the Vitamin C Daily Dose of Skin Brightening, and it has 5 Power Pack Skin Treats. And again, this is personalized. It says, prepared for Shelly. So I can't imagine how much time it takes to actually spend on putting together all of the labels and packages, and it's just those little extra touches, it's amazing. So thank you to Pixi. So the first thing of the 5, this is the vitamin C lotion. The vitamin C is really good for your skin and helping sometimes with dark spots, and it's really good. Sometimes you have to be careful if you're in the sun, that really high concentrations of vitamin C can maybe irritate your skin a little bit more in the direct sunlight. So you want to also make sure you have an SPF, but really good things for your skin. But I want to put that little warning out there. So this is the vitamin C lotion with vitamin C and ferulic acid, and it's a brightening moisturizer. So thank you so much for that. I'm very excited for that. This is really exciting. This is a vitamin C juice cleanser. That's so cool. And I think from what I saw, it actually has one of those tops that you actually push down and dispense product on. So I'm really excited to try this one out, and I'm sure that they all smell amazing and kind of citrusy, so I'm very excited for that. This is actually what I thought it was, the cleanser was. This is the vitamin C tonic, and nothing replaces the glow tonic for me. I am absolutely in love with the glow tonic so much. It is absolutely my favorite. It has, hyaluronic acid in it. I use it everywhere. I use it twice a day, and I love it so much. So I'm always a little bit reluctant to try other ones. I didn't like the rose one as much as I like the original, but I heard from Wayne Goss, who looks amazing by the way, that he uses multiple of the Pixi tonic products recently, and I was like, that makes me think that I should start incorporating multiples of them, because yes, absolutely, why not? So I actually am really excited to try the vitamin C tonic. And the next item in here, this is the vitamin C caviar balm. This reminds me of, they have the rose balm as well, which is not only a great primer, but it smells like not rose overwhelming like your grandma's rose, but just a light bright rose scent, which is so good. And it you can kind of press it into your skin, and it just gives you a nice smoothing effect, and you don't even have to put makeup on afterwards if you don't want to, which is amazing. And your skin looks better. So I'm kind of thinking this is gonna be like that. I'm really excited to try this. And then there's one other item in here, and this container, by the way, is super cute, and I'm also gonna hold on to it. Maybe put liquid lipsticks or just something fun and decorative in it. I mean, this is a really good container. I love this. This is, oh wow, it's a vitamin C serum with vitamin C and ferulic acid, and it's a brightening concentrate. So this I'm really excited about as well. So you will use this after cleansing and toning 2 or 3 drops on your skin, face, décolleté, all that good stuff. I'm really excited to try this. If you guys want to see a kind of skincare Sunday using all 5 of these steps, give this video a thumbs up and drop a comment below that you want to see that. I will totally do that kind of video, because I'd like to see maybe how the whole system works together. So thank you so much to Pixi for sending this over. I really appreciate it. And now we're going to move on to the other box that I got. This one is from Purlisse, and I actually got 2 boxes pretty close to each other. I think one was kind of launching a newer product, and then the other one was celebrating National Watermelon Day, and so they had a new product as well that's in their watermelon line, which is about a year old now. I think almost exactly a year old. And so that was really exciting, and so let me show you what I got. So the first one, you might have seen this if you were on the Instagram story before. I tried to download it, but I couldn't, so now I'm doing it again. But this is the Meet Your Matcha, and this is the green tea sheet mask, which I'm so excited about this. And then there's also a antioxidant moisturizer. So I'm really excited for this. They even included like a little from Tea Forte, a pure matcha green tea kind of tin as well. So I'm very excited to try that out. Thank you so much to Purlisse. And then they sent me one other in celebration of National Watermelon Day. How cute is that? So I guess it would make sense that that collection is a year old because they probably coincided with National Watermelon Day. This is the Refresh on the Go package. And so they just released these, and they are the Watermelon Energizing Makeup Remover Wipes. Now, I've always been in love with the Neutrogena ones. That's kind of like my gold medal standard. But I love the way that the sheet mask smells, that watermelon scent that they have, and I was told that these smell like that. I know that sounds like a silly reason to be really excited about it, but I was super excited about that. I will report back, but I'm thinking it's gonna be good because the smell is just so good. So good. Okay. It has watermelon, which is a natural toner and helps refresh skin. There's aloe vera to help improve hydration. There's white tea to help minimize damage from pollutants. And then there's cucumber to help smooth and firm the skin. And then they were so sweet. Look at this. I actually am pretty thirsty, so I might just drink this. But it's Perrier that's watermelon flavored. How cool is that? So maybe I'll stick it in the fridge and then I will drink it later tonight. So, and the last package that I got was from Rimmel, and apparently it was National Lipstick Day not that long ago, I guess last week or so. And so they sent me some lipstick to celebrate. Now, let's take a look here. It says, so it looks like they sent over a couple of items. It's the new Lasting Finish Extreme lipstick, which is a 10-hour wear. And then there's also a gloss. So let's take a peek here at what they sent. Okay, so I'm gonna separate these. There are 3 lipsticks and 3 glosses. So let's take a look at these. These glosses are beautiful, okay? These are in the color Down to Gloss, Sippin', Honey Honey. So these are definitely up my alley and something I would wear. So I feel like this I can safely swatch and show you what they look like. Ooh, okay. At the top is Down to Gloss, and that's kind of just a nude peachy gloss. And then in the middle is the Sippin', which is actually kind of got a little bit more orange in it, and it's opaque. It's kind of not just like a topper, but it's just beautiful on its own. And on the bottom is this Honey Honey, which has got more of a pink shift to it. So these are all really beautiful and totally unique. And it looks like I have 3 different lipsticks here as well. This is more of a mauve, like nude. This is more of a lilac, and then this is an orange color. So honestly, I think I'm gonna swatch this one. I might toss this one and this one in a giveaway because I don't know how often I would wear those, especially like that orangey color. Oh, look at this. Okay, so I don't know if you can see this, but the tip of it is curved to kind of fit the curve of your lip. I kind of like that. So do I have a mirror around? No. 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 Can I do this just looking at the camera? No. Okay. Okay. So I kind of like that. And there is the color here. It looks like it would actually go great with honestly any 3 of these glosses you could kind of put over the top of it. And this color is called 720 Snatched. I like this color a lot actually, and it feels kind of like not too matte or sticky on the lips. It just glides on, so I really like that. This is my favorite color. I really like it. So it is the color Snatched, and I think I will save, these are really cute though. So this is the color 610 in Lit, and this is the color 205 in Sugar Sugar, which looks more like a violet, which I don't think I'm going to end up wearing, and I like the formulation, so I'm going to keep this one and give it away to someone, and I'll toss it in my giveaway pile. And then this one is more of that corally orangey shade, which I think is really pretty, but I think I have that just from the gloss itself, so I don't, and from even a little bit from this one that I just swatched, so I think I can toss this one in a giveaway too as well. So I want to say thank you so much to all 3 brands. Thank you to Pixi, thank you to Rimmel, thank you to Purlisse. I appreciate you all very much. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like it if you liked it, and I will see you in a video very soon. Bye!